Have you ever looked at your bank balance and wondered, where did all my money go? If that sounds familiar, stay with me. Most people think they cannot save money because they don't earn enough. But here's the truth. Saving money is not about income, it is about habits. In this video, I will show you simple ways to save more money using everyday examples. Just clear and practical ideas. Point 1. Know where your money is going. You cannot save money if you don't know where your money goes. Think about this. Food, phone recharge, online shopping, subscriptions. Each one feels small. $5 here, $10 there. Small expenses don't feel dangerous, but together they eat your money. Point 2. Pay yourself first. It's like a small hole in your pocket. One coin falls out, then another. And slowly, everything is gone. The first step to saving money is simple. Notice the leaks. Most people do this. They spend money first. Then they try to save what is left. Usually nothing is left. Smart people do the opposite. They save first. Let's look at a simple example. Your monthly income is $2,000. The moment you receive it, you save $200 immediately. Then, you live on the remaining $1,800. That's it. One simple habit can make this easier. Keep 2 bank accounts. One only for savings, one for daily expenses. This way, you always know how much you have saved and how much you can spend. When you separate savings first, your spending will automatically stays in control. Saving first is like locking the door before the wind comes in. Point 3. Use the 50-30-20 rule. Here is how it works. Start by using 50% of your money for your needs, rent, food, bills. Then 30% goes to your wants, fun, shopping, and eating out. And the remaining 20% goes to savings. This rule gives your money a job. Instead of guessing where your money went, you decide where it goes. Think of it like 3 boxes. Each dollar goes into one box. No confusion. This is how you can save more money than most people with the same income as you. Point 4. Negotiating your bills like professionals. This is something that most people don't realize, but many bills are not fixed. Your internet, your phone plans, your insurance, or even some service or maintenance fees. Many companies assume customers don't realize, but spending just 1 hour comparing plans, switching services, or negotiating can save you hundreds every year. $100 may not feel like much, but when you combine all these small savings, the total amount becomes even more. Just by tracking this kind of bills, you will know where your money is going and how you can save it. It's one of the easiest ways to keep more of your money. Tip number 5. Don't buy logos. Imagine you have a friend who loves branded sneakers. He buys expensive sneakers every month and spends thousands of dollars on them. When you ask him why, he simply says, "Because they look cool." Ask yourself one simple question. Are you buying expensive shoes to impress others, or buying a good quality, comfortable pair that takes care of both your feet and your wallet? If you pay attention, the top 1% richest people in the world, like Jeff Bezos, Bill Gates, Elon Musk, Mark Zuckerberg, or Warren Buffett, they don't try to impress others with brands. They focus on building wealth. If you're already rich, then buying luxury doesn't matter much. But if you're still building your life, then why spend $2,000 on a pair of shoes when you can get a high-quality pair for $50? You didn't pay for the shoe. You paid for the logo. And always remember, you are the brand. A logo doesn't define your value. Your character and the way you treat others show how rich you truly are. Again, saving money isn't about restriction or sacrifices. It's about awareness. Every dollar you keep, every habit you change, and every unnecessary purchase you avoid becomes a building block of your future freedom. When your habits are right, money stops controlling you. You feel calm, you feel confident, and you feel in control. If you want to keep learning simple money habits like this, subscribe to Money and Habits. Here, we talk about money, personal finance, and how the economy affects your daily life, all explained in a simple, calm way. I'll see you next time. Until then, take care and keep building your future.